my name is Francesca with New Media Retailer. Thanks so much for joining me for another quick marketing tip. As promised, today I'm going to show you how to make a reel. Let's jump into it. All right, so I'm going to click Instagram to get started. I'm going to click that plus sign in the upper right hand corner, and I'm going to scroll over to Reel. Whoops, start new video. To get started, I'm going to select that bottom left-hand image icon. And for today's video, I put all the videos that I wanted to use into one folder. So I clicked on the first one I'd like to use. It was kicking off the day at the donut shop, picking up donuts for the office. You can play with the length, make them shorter or longer, and you can also play with the speed. I added that one and then I selected the image icon again. Now this video is me just showing the donuts in the office. Again, you can play with the lengths and play with the speed. If you're not using the original audio of your video and you plan to add music, speeding up the speed is just a fun way to kind of give a different effect. Not at all necessary and something you probably don't want to do if you are going to keep the original audio. I'm going to add music to this one. So again, you can see I'm just clicking that bottom left-hand corner, selecting the videos or photos that I'd like to add to my reel, speeding them up, again, just for a fun effect that's not at all necessary. Perfect. Okay, so now that I have all my videos in one place, I'm going to hit next so I can see all of my videos together. I clicked edit clips and then reorder. This allows you to move, drag, and drop video files, so if you do make a mistake and you put something in the wrong order, it's not a problem. My video looks good, so I'm going to hit done. Next, I selected the music icon, and there's tons of songs for you to choose from. I'm going to select the first random one that I see.
Phone in my hand, holding my breath.
Looks good. I'm going to hit next. Now my reel is ready for a caption. First day back in the office. Whoops, helps if I spell it right. I'm going to hit done, and now I can choose my cover photo. So when I hit edit cover, I can choose any image from the reel that I've uploaded. So I can scroll over this to find the perfect image. Yeah, that one with the coffee looks good. Let's get back there. Perfect. Or you can hit add from camera roll and upload a still image. Oh, you're going to see some selfies there. I'm going to go ahead and stick with this video, or this image. So I'm going to click Profile Grid. Profile Grid allows you to scroll up and down so you have the perfect cropped view. And now your reel is ready to be shared. And of course, there's all kinds of fancy things that you can do to reels. But for today's video, it's just about simple ways to get started. Thank you so much for joining me, and be sure to check back soon.